In this episode, with the winds finally subsided, we take advantage of the lull to venture into town for church, a favorite way to immerse ourselves in local culture. We also set out to explore the highly praised Coral Garden and Manta cleaning station. However, a big mistake in not studying our map more closely leads us into a surprisingly funny situation. Maybe we picked the wrong spot. Sunday morning, and one of the things that we love to do is visit local churches for their Sunday morning service. So today we are going to a church that's right on the water. We stopped by yesterday and they said 10:30 service today, so that's where we're heading. It's a little bit of a rough one out here, but not too bad. So this is the town of Tapoamu, and
it's going to take about 45 minutes to walk there, which is just fine by us, working in the daily exercise.
It feels so bizarre to walk. We've been swimming, we have been cycling, but we have not been walking. So walking is weird again. When we were back in the States, we walked a ton and it felt normal. Not anymore. But it's a beautiful day and a beautiful road. Wow, look at that.
Yeah.
It's like they're selling their wares here.
Yeah.
Very cool. Made it on time, actually early. 8 minutes early. Kirana. I'm loving all the ladies in their hats. It's so beautiful. It's so cute. This young man came and gave us a hug and a kiss and said welcome and told us the pastor is what they're waiting for. So we have no idea what just happened, but he's obviously late.
We're on island time.
Wow, what an experience. People were so beautiful and so kind and welcoming.
So welcoming.
That was amazing. Bonjour. Wow, it's choppy.
Wow, look how beautiful this is.
Looks clear now. Well, it's been 3 or 4 days that we've been here now, and today is the first day that it is totally calm. Look at that view of Bora Bora back there. And because it's totally calm, we are going to go play, and we are going to head to the famous Coral Gardens, which is a drift snorkel that's on the other side of the Pearl Resort there, and then we're going to go across the bay and snorkel with mantas. My hero. There's my mask and snorkel. Thank you. Well, we have just come from the Manta swim. There was one manta. Took us a little while to figure out where the spot was, but we found it. Then there were 15 people in the water from a tour. So after being so spoiled in Qingdao with the mantas to ourselves and beautiful visibility, this was just very different. So we spent just about 10 minutes with the one manta, and then we took off. Maybe we'll try another day over there. Maybe there'll be more mantas. Anyway, always good to swim with mantas. Never complain about that. So now we are at the Coral Garden. So supposedly what we're supposed to do is walk on this island all the way to the end, and then when you can't walk any further, you just follow the coral and you swim over it. We're gonna try and do this and see how that works out. Right now, this coral definitely does not look like it's in great shape. Wow, if nothing else, we get amazing views of Bora. Look at that. This looks way too shallow to be able to go. We're back. It was very hard to find a way to get through the coral because there wasn't any space. Maybe we picked the wrong spot. We don't know. But there are no tour boats here. They say that it's usually packed by 9 and it's after 9. I think we got tricked by the pretty colored balls. And I think maybe that's it over there. Let's go up there and see if that's what they're doing.
I think there's more depth here.
Yeah. We were definitely not in the right place. Well, we definitely had the wrong place. That's hilarious. Oh my gosh. All right, well, this is gonna be a little bit more beautiful. So much prettier over here. All right, let's do it. I'm surprised at how big this island is.
I know. Maybe we go back that way and cut over.
But we really like the real coral garden.
Much better.
Much better. Saw a baby octopus, it was so cute. Lots of fish life.
It's kind of like a maze you had to work your way through.
Still really pretty. So we're going back to the boat.